Dear students, according to this ratio 60 60 60 degrees, we can take one triangle here. This is a, let it be considered an equilateral triangle here. So all the angle should be 60 degrees. Here 60 degree, here 60 degree, and here 60 degree. The sides of these a here. So now 60 degrees is to 60 degrees is to 60 degrees ratio. 60 opposite is A, another 60 opposite is A, another 60 opposite is A here. So 1 is to 1 is to 1. So 60 60 60 1 is to 1 is to 1 is the correct. Now come under to the 30 60 90 ratio. Here you can take it is a triangle here. Let it be 60 degrees over here. This is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees over here. So now you can take the angle bisecting line here. This is 90 degrees. Side A. So that means this is the 90 degrees, means you will get total side A. This is A by 2, this is A by 2 here. So now you can angle bisecting line equally divides the angle. This is 30 degrees and this also will be 30 degrees over here. So now you can need to find the x value here. So in this right angle triangle, x hypotenuse, this is A by 2. Then hypotenuse square, A square equal to x square plus A by 2 whole square here. Therefore x square equal to A square minus A square by 4. Then x equal to root over 3A square by 4. That is root 3A by 2 here. So now come under to this ratio 30 is to 60 is to 90. So 30 opposite is A by 2. This is 60 opposite, that x value you will get root 3A by 2, and 90 opposite, that will be A here. So you can divide with the 2, you will get A cancel, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. That means 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees ratio, you will get 1 is to root 3 is to 2, not 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, then come under to the right angle triangle. You can take it is one angle should be 90 degrees here. This is 90 degrees, this is 45 degree, and this is 45 degree. So 45 opposite you can take side A. This is also side A. Now you find hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. That is A square plus A square, 2A square, hypotenuse square here. So then hypotenuse is root 2A it is coming. So now we can write 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees over here. So 45 opposite is A, another 45 opposite is A, and 90 opposite is, this is root 2A. So then A cancel. So then 1 is to root 2. So 45 90 is 1 is to root 2, not 1 is to 2 here. And finally you can take it is 30 120 degrees. This is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees, and this will be 120 degrees. Sum of the angles 180 degrees, right? So now you can take the angle bisecting line. So this will be what? 90 degrees. This will be 60 degrees and this will be 60 degrees. So already we know the ratio 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. 1 is to root 3 is to 2 here. So that means you can take it is 60 opposite, you can take it is root 3. 90 opposite you can take it is 2, and 30 opposite is 1. Same as you write here also, 60 opposite is root 3, 30 opposite is 1, and this is also 90 opposite is 2. So that means you will write now 30 degrees and 120 degrees. So in this triangle it is coming now This is 120 degrees, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2 root 3. Sum of these two will be 2 root 3 over here. So what is that? 30 opposite 2 and 2 here. This is 2 root 3, 2, 2, 2 common. Cancel here. 1 is to root 3. So not 1 is to 4. 30 ratio 1 is to root 3.